beautiful country of Zimbabwe.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I am Christine Caballero and I will be your host for tonight. Welcome to Miss F Universe 2010 Presentation Show. Sa nakita nyo naman sa napakalalaki at napakagaganda mga costumes ng ating mga dalaga dito. Sino ang dapat na maging best in national costume? Naku, I think all of our delegates deserve a round of applause because they're all so beautiful. And their national costumes are all so spectacular. Thank you so much to our delegates. We can now prepare for the talent presentation. And my friends, the winner of the Best in Costume Award will be announced during the Miss F Universe Grand Finals, which will be held on August 7 at 11 o'clock p.m. right here at Fahrenheit. Kaya wag po kayo lahat mawawala. Now, tonight's event serves as a preliminary competition for Miss F Universe 2010. So, abangan po ninyo ang ating next round of competition right after this short video break. Alright, so Miss F Universe 2010 presentation show continues as our delegates entertain you with their talent presentations. So eto na po, patuloy lang po ang pag-cheer at pagpapalakpak ninyo sa inyong mga paborito. Let's start the talent showdown with our first delegate, Belgium.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali.